Meaning of giraffe.
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 Giraffe. A giraffe is a long-necked ruminant mammal native to Africa. They are the tallest land animals on Earth, with males growing up to 18 feet tall. Their distinctive spotted coat acts as camouflage in their natural habitat of savannas and woodlands. Giraffes are social creatures that live in herds and communicate through low-frequency sounds and body language. They feed on leaves and buds using their long necks and tongues to reach high branches. Unfortunately, giraffe populations have declined due to habitat loss, trophy hunting, and poaching, making them vulnerable to extinction.